Date is the 14th of October 2020. Here is Multiojankatu 4. Stick is V. Now this is the right one. It says 1969 here. So the other one was also built in 1969. For ValmetSchlieren, the serial number is VS 1743. And it got modernized by Otis in 1997. It's got 6 floors. The newer serial number is V1SX 8448. And it will be inspected in 2022 and the organization is turning 25 years old. It turned 50 years old in 2019 last year. And this one actually has a dockle button too. It works.
Yeah.
For some reason the stick is A doesn't have the dockle button. This has been better with the dockle button.
Yeah.
But still a little bit boring due to these inner doors.
Yeah.
But 1990s, oh, this is still nice. But I think they still used this in the modernization in the year 2000.
Yeah.
Or 2001 maybe also.
Yeah.
Closing immediately.
Yeah. Spektaatpaakin vain, että meidän paikka on.
Yeah. But for one, the floor one should be green.
Yeah.
This is the main floor. Ja nyt sitten Multisilta Tampere Force Pirkanmaan Vehicle Division Finland.
That's it.